Hi there! You have probably already seen our other tutorials that show you how Parago makes your life easier, safer and more convenient. Today I will show you how to clean and take care of your Pg35 portable cooler. The best way to do so is to use a damp cloth to wipe all areas that you either touch or that come into direct contact with food. Pay special attention to corners, as those are the areas where unwanted residue can be found most often. If you make sure to clean your Pg35 cooler regularly, we guarantee that your food and drinks will always stay fresh and chilled, no matter where you go. For more information, check out our other tutorials, follow us on WeChat or Instagram, or visit our Parago website.